My father spent 16 and a half years in prison, and on the 14th of March 1991, he and 5 other men walked free from the Old Bailey, following a lengthy third appeal against conviction. I remember the day well, as the first thought in my mind when the Birmingham Six walked free was that I would never again have to speak publicly, face a camera or be interviewed by the press. Yet here I am for the first time in 22 years speaking out. Once again, it's about injustice. This time, the injustice of proposed legal aid reforms, which will enormously disadvantage a defendant even more than the present system. One of the biggest impediments in the case of the Birmingham Six was not having the opportunity under the system then to change their legal representatives. 2 very young and inexperienced duty solicitors, when the men realised that they were unable to put their case to the court competently. The Ministry of Justice's proposals to allocate a lawyer in a criminal case has an uncanny resemblance and greatly heightens the risk of a miscarriage of justice. It wasn't until the men were able to select their own choice of legal representation in Gareth Pearce of Bernberg Pearce, a small team of specialised solicitors who work hard and did work hard to uncover new evidence, that their case took off. Had the men been able to appoint a solicitor like Gareth, the miscarriage of justice may never have taken place. Should the Ministry of Justice's proposals be implemented, the tireless work of solicitors involved in miscarriage of justice and human rights cases will be diminished or even cease to exist, leaving no one to take up these cases. It is a fundamental right to be tried by jury. It is also a fundamental right to be represented by a legal representative of your own choice. The proposal to tender legal aid to the lowest bidder will deny this fundamental right. Justice will depend upon market forces and business decisions. The lowest bidder in an auction will win the right to represent you, whether you like it or not. Ultimately, miscarriage of justice cases will be forced to rely on campaigns, and although campaigns can and do win, without the decent representation of hard-working lawyers, they too will be a waste of time. Thank you.
Thank you, Rita Power.